Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, in the previous topic we have discussed about the nuclear fusion, and now here basically we are going to talk about nuclear fusion. So what is nuclear fusion? Let me talk about that in this topic. So friends, talking about nuclear fusion, it is quite different from that of the previous topic, that is nuclear fission. In this case, actually, in nuclear fusion, two lighter particles, they combine with each other so as to form a heavier nucleus, and this is how it proceeds with the evolution of energy. For example, the application of the nuclear fusion can be observed in sun. The radiations that comes from the sun is because of the nuclear fusion, and that is how basically the sun reacts with other lighter particles so as to produce energy. In sun, basically there are hydrogen present, so therefore the two lighter particles, that is hydrogen, they combine with each other so as to form deuterium, and that deuterium reacts with another hydrogen so as to form helium, and that helium can produce another hydrogen, so therefore this reaction goes on, and that is how basically we can get energy also. So the energy which has been formed because of the two lighter particles is quite more compared to that of the nuclear fission. Here basically let me talk about a certain example. The amount of the energy that has been released during nuclear fusion, it requires high temperature also, because we can't combine two hydrogens so as they could form helium easily. Obviously the temperature that is required is more than 10 raised to 8 Kelvin. That kind of tremendous temperature if we provide, then only the nuclear fusion will carry on, and that is how basically we could get a tremendous amount of energy. So this is what I have discussed about a certain example related to the nuclear fusion, and that's it. So thank you friends for watching this video. I hope you have understood this video very clearly, and I hope I'll see you next time. Till then, don't forget to subscribe Ekeeda channel. Thank you so much.